Today's Death and Company cocktail is the Company Buck by Phil Ward. This is a drink probably best suited for the summertime, but we can always dream. I think the drink is essentially, what if a Dark and Stormy was actually good? For this one, you'll need angostura bitters, ginger syrup, lime juice, pineapple juice, Goslings black seal rum, and club soda. We'll build this in a small shaker tin with 1 dash of angostura bitters, half an ounce of ginger syrup, 3/4 ounces of lime juice, 1 ounce of pineapple juice, and 2 ounces of Goslings Black Seal rum. I'm gonna shake everything but the soda. Strain it into a highball glass filled with ice. And then top with soda. Garnish with a lime wheel. Let's try it. I don't know if this was their intention or not, but when you're making tropical and tiki drinks, you often need some ginger syrup. But having ginger syrup, then also having to have ginger beer on hand, sometimes you can just combine things and make different cocktails to accomplish the same thing. And I think here with this one, obviously you're adding a few more things than you normally would to a Dark and Stormy, but the club soda and ginger syrup sort of acts as its own type of ginger beer. And the addition of pineapple juice is delicious. And having that lime juice there sort of cut through and add some of that much needed acidity. Saying that it's better than a Dark and Stormy is not that high of a compliment, but it is very good. I think it's the best version of a Dark and Stormy I've had. I've tried to kind of elevate those in the past. Goslings Black Seal Rum is not, I don't think it's most people's favorites, but it works here and gives you that rummy ginger drink if those are the types of flavors that you really like and enjoy. But it's not too rum forward. It's not, there's no funky notes in there. The Death and Company ginger syrup is a 2-to-1 ginger syrup. Now mine is actually not the exact recipe from Death and Company, but I make it the same way where I take some fresh ginger through just a microplane and then squeeze out the juice. You can do that through a nut milk bag. You can probably even use a coffee filter and then use that juice to add to essentially like a 2-to-1 simple syrup. You'll have an intense ginger syrup that's much more vibrant. It's a much more fresh and spicy ginger note than if you were to just cut up slices of ginger and soak them in your 2-to-1 syrup. So moving forward, I'm just never going to make ginger syrup the other way. So if you enjoy ginger, you enjoy a Dark and Stormy, this is going to be far better than any Dark and Stormy you have ever had. So that's it for this one. This is the Company Buck from Death and Company. Continuing forward with Death and Company Week. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like below. Consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to support the channel, check out the Patreon page in the link below. And otherwise, see you on the next one.